So the first thing that you guys are gonna do is open your video editor app of your choice. So I'm just gonna use Power Director for this. Then you're gonna create a new project. And from here, you're gonna import your video clip, the photography clip that you have just taken, like the panning video. So what I'm doing here is I'm just trimming it because it's too long. Then you're gonna go into the middle part of the clip, and from there you're gonna want to click the split tool and split it into the other middle part here and split it as well. And you're gonna go into the little video clip, and you're gonna wanna adjust the speed. You're gonna wanna make the speed a lot faster to however you like, and it's best if you add an ease in or an ease out to make it a lot smoother. It's actually just up to you, but here's the final result I'm gonna show you guys after the video.